Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Pad Go 2. In this video I will show you how to use AI Smart Cutout for stickers on this device. So let's start by opening Photos application on your device, and you want to open any photo that has clear object on it, like this. So this object should stand out, and now we want to long press on it. And then when you release your finger, you will see 4 options: save, add sticker, copy, and share. So I will tap option add sticker, and now you can find a section with your stickers if you tap this pencil icon right here at the top. Now let's scroll down and select stickers. So I have saved 4 such stickers, and all I'm gonna do is tap on the sticker to add it over another photo. You can change its size, you can change its rotation like this, and you can create different photos using this stickers feature. Okay, and now let's long press it once again, and additionally you can tap save button that saves this photo as another photo but without any background. This is PNG. Okay, and what else? You can save this photo, you can save this object to your smart sidebar if you use your smart sidebar. So you can use this feature if you want to quickly drop this sticker into another application, just like this. Okay, and I feel like that's all. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.